Hello and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to talk about ratchets. This is my Milwaukee ratchet I've had for a while. It's pretty basic. It takes a 12-volt battery. And then this one is my knockoff China ratchet with an extended ratchet. It also takes a dewalt battery, but it is not a dewalt ratchet. I only paid $41 for it. Now I wanted to see the capability of this compared to a name brand ratchet. This is actually the only Milwaukee tool I have, like I said. So I'm gonna race them. So make sure they're turning the right way. All right, here we go. Okay, so we know which one goes faster going down. Let's see which one pulls out quicker. Get it caught up, okay. Okay, so we know this one's faster, but it does take a 20-volt battery. Anyways, that's my video. Please like and subscribe to get more of my content, to review more tools. And on some of these videos, I'm going to show you how to do repairs and things like that. Anyways, thanks for watching.